Good morning, student. I am Shurab sir. Welcome back to our online drawing class. And today our drawing topic is sketch pen activity parrot. Page number 14. Okay. So let's go our drawing class. This is parrot, and it's a branch and tree and leaves and this cloud. Okay. So we start our color. At first we are color the parrot lips. Okay, this is red. This type only point, no color, no shading, only point. Okay, only dot the point. The texture, this is this type small, and then a color this color full body. Okay, this type full body. Full body. Okay. Full body, this type full strip, and this branch and leaves is as a cloud is this type, and sorry, this color is wrong, this type, and this is this type. Okay, and next branches color is also yellow, full yellow, this type, and legs green, red. Okay, this type, and leaves are always same process. Okay, and some texture, this same process, and next this border or green. Okay, so our color is complete. So complete the color. Okay.